Dear friends, welcome to Pam's Kitchen. Today we will be making chakri, very crunchy tea time snacks. So let's start the process. In a vessel, take rice flour, besan, black pepper powder, cumin seeds, carom seeds, cinnamon powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, salt. Add 1 cup hot ghee. Mix flour and masalas with a spoon. Here I have used 3 cups of water to make a dough. Add sesame seeds. Rest dough for 10 to 15 minutes. Grease the chakri making machine with oil. Now put the dough in the machine. And close the lid of the machine. We will start making round chakris. Make chakris on the paper to easily remove for deep frying. Move the machine slowly in circles. Attach the end of the chakri. Make all the chakris as shown. Meanwhile, heat oil for deep frying. Add the chakris one by one for deep frying. Fry both the sides of the chakri till light brown in color. Chakris are ready to be served with tea. Thanks for watching, and please like and share my videos, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.